Hello friends, welcome to BusyMed channel. This video is about the 5 tips which you should know so that your study journey becomes easy in your medical school. So the first one is optimizing your study technique, as we have lot of to learn and there is a lack of time. So to balance our time, we should optimize our study technique. The second one is practice self-discipline. So we should make a study schedule and stick to it, and we should be reading a topic every single day. Like this we can maintain a discipline and we can maintain a habit of studying every single day. The third one is prioritize your time. So we have to prioritize our time to studies as well as our free time to the things which we enjoy, so that we should not get exhausted by studying for all the time. So we should divide our time and for studies as well as our free time for enjoyment that make our health easy. Fourth one is don't neglect self-care, because self-care is very much important, because if we don't care for ourselves, then we cannot expect to care for our patients. Fifth one is be intentional with your time. Like we should have intention, like if we are devoting 2 hours of time for studies, then we make sure that we study that 2 hour times. And if we are devoting our time for enjoyment with our family and friends, then we should enjoy only, and we should not combine with study and time, because if we combine both the things, then we cannot complete our portion and we cannot get refreshed. Okay, so like this we need to have these 5 tips which I am giving you that makes our study journey and medical school journey easy. Okay, thank you.